a little better. Oh, damn it. Nothing, so they have a little retainer clip here, but they break. So there's no retainer clip. It's okay, I just need to make sure it's super tight. Whew. Actually, this is the easy part. What do you think?
Yeah.
Sick ride, huh? Whew. On the trail again. Another good walkable section, huh? Yeah, no one told you this is the Black Diamond. There's a blue trail that's like a freaking highway up here.
You know, there's a freaking...
Yeah.
You know, there's a ski lift about two valleys over.
Yeah. Why is it getting so hard? Oh, now this is a trail. This is the split?
Yeah. See this trail right here? You go left.
Oh.
Yeah, see this nice trail right here? Yeah, we're not ready. Yeah, no, we're going to go double bunghole right now.
I didn't know I was taking my bike for a walk.
Yeah.
Could have worn my hiking. You can tell nobody rides this. Just bushwhacking. Good thing you wrapped your bike, eh, bro? Wow, we've climbed a long ways. I said, you're doing good. Make you feel any better?
Yeah.
Not really.
No, I mean, I don't know, dude. I don't know what's worse, the fucking rocks or the bushes? Or the rocks.
Rock. Although, we say that now and our legs are going to be all eaten up. Holy. Oh. Ouchie. All right.
So,
it's kind of sick up here, huh?
we're at 85.55 right here. 85.55, that's good. I was like 10 short. I just fell over.
Yeah, you thought I was going down? Woo! Ow, 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 ow! Oh, soft. His trail's barely a trail. Yeah. That worked out kind of clean. There you go, buddy. Oh, where'd trail go? Oh, trail goes this way, sorry. Ooh, rock. Knew it was gonna happen.
Is there a screw missing or?
Let me see.
It's literally right at my front foot.
No, we're good. I was on the cranks pretty hard. It's starting.
You're videoing me because you think I'm gonna crash, aren't you?
No, buddy, I was videoing you because it's pretty rad and gnarly. Good job. got off balance there a bit. Oh. Woo. Woo. I said I went highline. I don't recommend that. That was good. Uphill. Woo. Hi there. Yeah. Woo. Bam. Woo. Woohoo. Oh, feet came off. Rode it out. Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. There's the end. Enjoy it. That was fun.
You knocked me down, swept my feet off the ground, left me on the floor.
That looks delicious.
Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. See, I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for
bear killer.
My baby.